If you regularly save emails to NetSuite using ExtendSync, reopening the add-in for every email can slow you down. Let me show you how to use task pane pinning to keep ExtendSync open while moving between emails, helping you work faster and more efficiently. By default, ExtendSync opens only for the email you're currently viewing. When you switch to another email, the task pane closes automatically. This behavior is called Unpin mode. For users who process many emails throughout the day, reopening ExtendSync repeatedly can add unnecessary steps. And for you to keep your ExtendSync open, locate the pin icon at the upper right corner of the app. Then, click the pin icon. Once pinned, ExtendSync remains open as you move between emails in Outlook. Notice that the task pane remains visible and automatically refreshes for each email you select. With task pane pinning enabled, you can quickly review suggested records, search NetSuite records, and associate emails without repeatedly launching the add-in. This is especially useful for users who process high volumes of customer emails throughout the day. If you prefer more screen space, simply click the pin icon again to unpin the task pane. When unpinned, ExtendSync will close automatically whenever you switch to another email. Task pane pinning is available for supported Outlook desktop, web, and Mac environments that meet Microsoft minimum requirements. If you don't see the pin icon, verify that your Outlook version supports pinnable task panes. To recap, task pane pinning allows ExtendSync to remain open while you move between emails, reducing clicks, and help you process emails more efficiently. Hope you find this worthwhile. Thanks for watching.